layers. So the first part of the video, you're going to just play with the numbers. The second part of the video, you are going to think if there are more answers to it. The third part of the video, we will go through how many answers can exist, right? So we're going to make a magic triangle today. The rule's simple. You're going to place these 6 numbers on that triangle. You have 3 circles on each corner, and each side has a number circle as well. So if you place these numbers just randomly, let's do this. Now then you're going to add all the numbers on each line. For example, here, 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 3 plus 6 is 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. These numbers have to match. So whenever you add these 3 numbers in each line, they all have to be the same. Got the idea? So let's try. I'm going to pause the video. I have a worksheet added underneath this video, so you can download it. Also, I added the website. You can play with numbers, so you can play Magic Triangle online. I also added the Magic Triangle smart notebook file underneath this video, so you can download it. And a little tip for the teachers, that if you make these little counters and put the stickers on and write numbers, it's a lot easier for kids or students to work on the Magic Triangle. Let's pause the video. Just quickly, I added the link to this website so you can play with these numbers. So I could not really make the triangle for you, but you can move the numbers so you can put them in sort of triangular shape. This better? Then hopefully you can play with the magic triangle. So let's go back to where we were. So, did you make a magic triangle? Let's play first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Then what I realized was those blue circles, whenever I put a number in a blue circle, that number will be counted twice, will be added twice, I would say. So these 3 blue circles, they are, let's say, the special circles, because these numbers will be added twice. So I quickly randomly to put 3 numbers there. This is the smallest. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this number here should be the largest of all. So let's put 6 there. Let's put 6 there. So that's 1 plus 2 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2. So this is smaller number. So I'm going to put the larger of 2, which is 5. That's 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. Then the last number, 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 9. So 1 plus 6 plus 2 equals 9. That's this line, right? 1 plus 5 plus, 3 plus 5 plus 1 is also 9. 2 plus 4 plus 3 also is 9. Well, this is one of the solutions. So, I'm going to pause the video again. Let's see if we can find another solution. Let's pause the video. Welcome back. Did you find many solutions? So, we as mathematicians, we would like to go through all the possibilities here. So, we add these numbers all together on the triangle. But as I said, those three numbers in blue circles will be added twice. What is the smallest sum, means answer of additions, possible, right? So last time, if you can remember, this was one of the solutions. So in this case, I added 1, 3, then 5 here. Then I added 1, 2, then 6. Then I added 2 and 3 and 4. That was 9, 9 and 9. Because 2, 1, 3, they added twice, right? So let's think. So I added all together, that's 27. What I had originally was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's go back to where we were. If I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, how many would that be? Well, let's pause the video. Then how did I get 27 altogether? So let's pause the video. So I actually have extra numbers here. In the magic triangle, first magic triangle I had 1, 2, and 3. I put these three numbers in the corner. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is actually 21. Can you see 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 sevens are 21. This is 21. And added 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's 6. So that's why it made 27, right? So what this is the smallest sum possible, right? So what would be the largest numbers we can put all together possible? So let's pause the video when this number here, adding all the numbers we put there in the magic triangle, will be the largest. So let's pause the video. So this is the last solution. And each line we had the sum, which was 9. Remember, if we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and a 1 and 2 and 3 added again, that makes 27. So each line is 27. So this solution, the sum of each line is 9. So what was the largest number possible when you add all the numbers together being used? So let's go back to what it was. So I'm assuming if we add these three numbers, or if we place these three numbers in each corner, the sum is going to be the largest. So I'm going to put these three numbers in each corner. It gets 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. We know that's 21. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is, that's 10 and 15, that's 15. when they add together, that's 36. If we add all these numbers together, remember these numbers will be added twice, it will be, the answer will be 36, and it will be divided into 3 lines, so each line should have 12, right? So that will be good thinking process. So let's put 4 and 5 and 6 on each corner. Let's see if we can make a solution. Let's pause the video. Okay, let's give it a shot. So we're going to put 4, 5, let's go there, 6 on each corner. Then we're going to add 1, 2, 3. Then I know, because if we add all the numbers together, that was 36, including those corners counted twice. So each line should have 12. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12. 6, 4 and a 2 is 12. 5, 6, that's 11, so that's 12. So that's another solution. That's a second solution. The first solution, we had each line added up to 9. This solution, each line added up to 12. So we have first solution, each line added to 9. This solution, each line is added to 12. Can I make 10? Can I make 11? And how? So let's pause the video. The first solution, each line added up to 9. Last solution, or the second solution, each line, when we add the numbers, that was total of 12. So we're thinking if there's a solution to make 10, solution to make 11, right? So again, we have to think of these numbers. When we put certain numbers on the corner, those numbers will be added twice. That's where we're coming from. Now, also, did you realize that that first number, considering these numbers counted twice, when I add these all together, that's 27. 9 3s are 27. If I add these numbers together, the answer was 36, and each line had 12. 3 6 are 3 12s are 36. So clearly, if we add these numbers and extra numbers all added, when we add them all together, the solution or the answer needs to be a multiple of 3, because we have 3 lines, right? Knowing that, hopefully that was a little clue. So let's pause the video, let's play with these numbers. I wonder what kind of numbers we need to be in each corner. So let's pause the video. How did you go? So we have 6 numbers, they're all added to 21. To make 10 here, the answer needs to be 30 altogether, right? So I need to make 9. Can I make 9 is a question. There are a few options. 1 plus 2 plus 6 will make 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 will make 9. 1 plus 4, well, I cannot do it because 1 plus 4 is 5, there's not another 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. So we have some possibilities there. So we try 1, 2, 6. How about you tried 1, 2, 6 is one of the options to make 9. 1, 3, 5 is another option to make 9. 2, 3, 4 is also an option. So which one do you think? Now let's give it a shot. Let's pause the video. So 2, 3, 4 sounds, I think 2, 3, 4 sounds good, doesn't it? Because it's a consecutive number. We had a 1, 2, 3 before, now it's 2, 3, 4's turn. That makes sense, doesn't it? So let's give it a shot. 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, and a 4. And each line, if we have 2, 3, 4, we just added 9 to 21, so 30 together. Each line should have 10. To make 10, 2 and 4, I need another 4. It doesn't work straight away. 2 plus 3, I can make 5 there. 3 and 4, that's 8. 7, I need 3, but I've already used 3. This doesn't work. So maybe you have already realized that the numbers we need to add or place in each corner are 1, 3, and 5. So I put 1, 3, and 5 here, and we're going to use 2, 4, and 6. So each line has to have 10. So 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 6 is 10. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 5 and 1 makes 6. So that is 10. So that's the second solution, the third solution this time. That's done. How about 11? So each line's 11. Means if we add all the numbers from 1 to 6, then certain numbers counted twice, then when I add each line, the answer should be 11. Let's pause the video. Let's see how you can do this. Let's pause the video. So let's see. So the aim is to make each line added up to 11. So if I add these all together, we know that's 21. Then we add certain numbers to each corner. So those numbers will be counted or added twice. When we add all together, it's 11 and 11 and 11. So it should be 33. So my target number this time is 33. 21, so I have to make 12 to make 33. How can I make 12 with 3 of these numbers? 1 plus 5 plus 6, that's 12. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is also 12. 3, 4, and 5 also is 12. Anything else can you do? So let's see if you can find different combinations to make 12 and see if you can make a magic triangle. So let's pause the video. Well, you're pretty clever, so I'm sure you have found another solution. 2, 4, and 6. Then I'm going to add 1, 3, 5 in each box or circle. So each line needs to be 11. So 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. We found 4 solutions. Now, my question is, if we put 2, 4 and 6, can I change the placement of 2, 4 and 6? Do we have a different answer? Or would it be the same? So that's the last question. We made 4 different solutions. Now mathematicians need to be precise. So 2, 4, 6, I put 2, 4, 6 like this. Can I change like 4 here and 2 there? Do we have a different solution? So let's think about it. We have 4 solutions, each line added to 9 or 10, 11 or 12. Well, question is, do we have more? That actually has been answered in the video, but each solution, are there different combinations? Hope you enjoyed magic triangles. Now the last question you had is if we have more combinations. So you can do it by yourself. So